Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be covering how to add, this is the second tutorial for the Flask series. In this video we're going to be covering how to add HTML pages into our website, so to add like multiple design pages. So first things first, what you guys need to do, I already have this created. You need to create a templates folder in your project. So I already have this created. To do this in IntelliJ, you just right click that, you click new, you click module, and then you just click, and then not module, my bad, you click directory, new directory, and then you just name it templates with everything lowercase, but we don't want to create anything here, so I'm just going to escape. And then so after you have this created, you want to add new and then file inside of that templates directory. So what this, I'm going to name this file is tutorial .html. After I have this created, I'll just add it to my Git, and then what I'm gonna do is just have a basic HTML template. To do that, just type the exclamation point in HTML, and then you can just press tab, and then it's gonna automatically create it for you. So I'm just gonna say over here the title, my first, this is the title that comes up on the top of the browser in the tab, my first website, and then an exclamation mark. And in here I'm gonna add, if you guys don't know HTML, it's really simple. I plan on doing a course on HTML later on towards my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe for that and hit the notifications, so you don't miss that out. So you just do H1. I'm gonna do my home page in HTML, and then I'm gonna go back to my Flask tutorial, do this, and then instead of returning on home, instead of returning this string, I'm gonna return render template. That's just saying that we're returning an HTML file, and then I'm gonna say tutorial .html. So what this does is it checks in the templates folder for, if you don't have it created, it throws an error, and it checks in the templates folder for any of the files, and then when we run this, it should be all good. Run. It should say what we set it to say, my home page in HTML. But now if we still go to /page, it's still on another page so that was for it in this video. In the next video we're going to be covering how to make forms in HTML, and in the video after that we're going to see how to retrieve the data in our Python file, so we can do stuff with it, manipulate the data, change the data, or we can store the data in a SQLite database, which we're also going to do. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video so we can beat the YouTube algorithm together, and thanks for watching. Peace.